Good morning, students. Today our topic is subtraction of units of weight. We will do some problems related to subtraction. In our previous video, we have done addition of weight. So let us discuss with the help of some examples. We will do subtraction of weight just as we subtract numbers. Okay, so let us discuss first example. First example is we want to subtract 18 kilogram to 80 gram, and second number is 6 kilogram and 163 gram. As you know, units of weight are kilogram and gram. So we will subtract these two numbers. First of all, as we have done in addition, we will write units of weight. Units of weight are kilogram and gram. Now we will write numbers according to their units. For this, first of all, for subtraction, we will observe which is bigger number. We can always subtract smaller number from a bigger number. So first of all, we have to write a bigger number. Now here we will compare two numbers and we'll see which is bigger number. For this, you will compare bigger unit. Here is bigger unit is kilogram. Gram is smaller than kilogram. So we will compare kilogram units. Okay. Here is 18 kilogram and here is 6 kilogram. Now 18 is bigger than 6. So this number will be bigger than second number. Okay. We will always compare bigger units. So we will write first number first. Now we will write number according to their units. 18 kilograms, we will write 18 below kilograms, and 280 grams. So we will write 280 below gram. Now second number is 6 kilogram. So we will write 6 below kilogram. Now this is 2-digit number and this is 1-digit number. We will write this number from right hand side, and here is 0. Okay. Now 163 gram. So we will write 163 below gram. Okay. Now put a sign of minus here. Now subtract these two numbers. Now you know we always do subtraction from which side? From right side. So we will start subtraction from gram place. 0 minus 3. Not possible because 3 is greater than 0. We can always subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. So what will we do? We will take borrow from next place. So it will become 10 and next place will become 7. Now 10 minus 3, 7. So here I will write 7. Now move to second place. Here 7 and 7 minus 6, 1. So it will become 1. Now this place is complete. Now next place is 2 minus 1. So here 1. So our gram place is complete. 117. Now move to kilogram place. 8 minus 6, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. So our subtraction is complete. 1, 2, 117. What we will do now? We will write their units. 12 kilogram and 117 gram. Okay. Now let us discuss another problem. Second problem. First of all, we will solve some simple problems. Okay. Suppose we want to subtract 15 kilogram and 345 gram. And second number is 8 kilogram and 235 gram. Now again, as we have done in first example, first of all what we will do? We will observe which is bigger number. Okay. So first of all we will write units kilogram and gram, and now compare which is bigger number. For this we will compare kilogram place. Here kilogram is 25 and here is 8. So 25 is greater than 8. So first of all we will write this number. This number is bigger. So 25 kilogram and 345 gram. So write 345 below gram. Now we will write second number in the same way. Now this is 1-digit number. We will start writing from right side. 8 and here is no digit. So we will write here 0. Okay. Now 235 gram. So here 235. Now put a sign of minus here. Now we will subtract these two numbers from right hand side, that is from gram please. Okay, now 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 3 1, 3 minus 2 1. So our gram place is complete, 110 gram. Now kilogram place, 5 minus 8 is not possible because 8 is greater than 5. So we will take borrow from this place and it will become 15 and this will become 1. So 15 minus 8, 7. You can count on your fingers. And here 1 minus 0, 1. So it becomes 17 kilogram and 110 gram. Okay, let us discuss another problem. In this problem, we will write like this. Subtract. Subtract means minus. Subtract means like addition means plus, subtraction means minus. Subtract 23 kg 105 g from 65 kg and 230 gram. Okay. Question is subtract this number from this number. In this, first of all, we will write units, kilogram and gram. Now, we will compare two numbers which is bigger. By comparing bigger unit, kilogram unit, you can see here 65 is greater than 23. Means this number is bigger than this number because 65 kilogram here and here 23 kilogram. When from is given in question, subtract this number from this number, then the number after from is always bigger. Okay, so first of all you will write the number given after from, means from this. So here this number is bigger. Okay, you can see 65 kilogram and here is 23 kilogram. So this number is bigger. The number given after from is always bigger when you are doing subtraction. Okay. So here write first number this. We will not write this. First of all you will write this number 65 kg. So I will write 65 below kg and 230 gram. So I will write 230 below gram. Okay. Now we will write this number, second number according to units 23 kg. So I will write here 23 and here 105 gram. So here I will write 105 gram. Now put a sign of minus here. Okay, start subtraction in the same way. First of all, gram place from right side. Now 0 minus 5 is not possible because 5 is greater. What we will do? We will take borrow from this place, next place. So it will become 10 and it will become 2. Okay. Now we can subtract this 10 minus 5, 5. Now this place become 2 minus 0. So here 2. Now 2 minus 1, 1. So our gram place is complete. Now move to kilogram. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. So our answer is 42 kilogram. We will write unit, kilogram below kilogram place and gram below gram place. So here gram. Okay. So our answer is 42 kilogram, 125 gram. Let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to subtract 35 kilogram 287 gram from 72 kilogram 956 gram. Now first of all we will write units, kilogram and gram. Kilogram is bigger, so first of all we will write bigger unit, kilogram, and then gram. Now again first of all we will compare the numbers which is bigger. Here is 35 kilogram and here is 72 kilogram. We will compare bigger unit. This number is bigger and you can see this number is given after from. So this number is bigger. So first of all write this number 72 kilogram. So write below kilogram and 956 gram. So here 956. Second number 35 kilogram and 287 gram. So our second number this. Put a sign of minus here. Now start doing subtraction. Now 6 minus 7 not possible. 7 is greater than 6. Take borrow from this place. It will become 4 and it will become 16. Now 16 minus 7, how much? 9. Here 4 minus 8, again 4 minus 8 is not possible. So we have to take borrow again from the next place, and it will become 8 and it will become 14. Okay, now 14 minus 8, 6. Here 8 minus 2, 6. Okay, so 669 gram. Now kilogram place, again 5 is greater than 2, so not possible. We will take borrow from next place, it will become 6 and it will become 12. Now 12 minus 5, 7, and 6 minus 3, 3. So 37 kilogram and 669 gram. Okay, so in this way we can do subtraction in units of weight as we do subtraction in numbers. Okay, simply first of all we will write units and then we'll compare bigger units which is bigger. First of all we will write bigger number and then we will write second number and then subtract the given numbers.